An autumn morning in a quiet Madrid park. Doña Laura sits on her bench, feeding breadcrumbs to pigeons as golden light filters through leaves. Laura, 70 and elegant, smiles softly while she sprinkles crumbs from her palm onto the ground. Don Gonzalo, 70 with a cane, approaches. His mood is gruff as his usual bench is taken. He sits at the far edge. Pigeons rise in a sparkling burst of wings as sunlight catches their feathers. Laura scolds him about manners. He grumbles back, but the humor softens the sting. Gonzalo offers a snuff box. They sneeze in sync and laugh, thawing the tension. They talk of Valencia and Maricela. He recites a line of poetry and Laura completes it by heart. A glint of memory in their eyes hints at a youth they shared, though neither names it aloud. The mood grows gentler. They draw closer on the bench as pigeons settle again at their feet. A soft legend forms, a jealous insult, a dawn escape, and a path that led a young lover away. A young man stands on a sunlit dune, gazing toward a distant horizon with calm, brave resolve. A seaside memory, a name traced in wet sand, fades as a gentle wave rolls in. Contemplative mood. Truth peeks through the memory. Paris at dusk, warm lights, and a dancer's shadow. Life moving forward. Back on the bench, Laura's violets slip to the ground. Gonzalo notices with a tender, quiet glance. He picks up the violets. Laura turns. Their eyes meet, and a subtle, shared smile passes between them. Pigeons settle, leaves drift. They linger a moment longer, then rise together, choosing tenderness and tomorrow on the same sunny bench.